Good morning. This lesson is for my Integrated 1 classes, but before I get started, I want to say I hope that everyone's doing all right out there. I'm not sure how I'm going to title this lesson, but I'm going to title it how I title it in the title. But what I am sure of is our one and only goal for the day. Our first and only goal is to graph one variable equations. So we're going to learn how to graph equations that only have an x or only have a y. They can't have an x or a y, but only an x or a y. They can't have an x and a y, only x or y. Alright, so here's the steps on how we're going to graph our one variable equation. If we only have an x and that's equal to a number, we're going to make two ordered pairs, that number and a 1, that number and a 2. We're going to plot those points and we're going to connect. Now if our only variable we have is a y, and y is equal to a number, we're going to make two ordered pairs, and it's going to be 1 in that number and 2 in that number. We're going to plot and connect. So on the board, I have two examples of one variable equations. I have a y equals a number, and I have an x equals a number. So I'm just going to go through the steps that I just went over, graph these equations. All right, here we go. Y is equal to 2. I have this situation, so I'm going to make two ordered pairs where it's going to be 1 and 2, and 2 and 2. So those are my two ordered pairs that I can make for 1 and 2, 2 and 2, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plot those points. So I go over 1 up 2, I go over 2 up 2, I have 2 points, and now I'm going to connect these 2 points, draw a line through them, and I've graphed my line. Now remember, horizontal lines are y equals. We are always at a height of 2 above the x-axis. So that is how you graph a one variable equation when it's y equals a number. Just follow those steps. Pretty simple, I hope. The second example is x equals a number, and in this case, x equals -3. So I'm going to make two ordered pairs, -3 and 1, and -3 and 2. Those are my two ordered pairs. So I get -3 and 1, and -3 and 2. I'm going to go ahead and plot these points like it says in the directions. So I go over to -3, I go up 1. I go over to -3, I go up 2. I'm going to connect these points, go through, extend the line, and that is the line. That is a vertical line of x equals -3. Remember, x is a vertical line, and we're always -3 or 3 away from the y-axis on the left side. And that is how I graph a single variable equation when it's x equals a number. That's all you got to do. That's it. So, again, this is how I graph one variable equations. I keep repeating myself, and I'm going to stop, and I'm going to end it here. Again, I hope everyone is doing all right out there. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.